In continuation to that Nernst equation class, let me take with examples. So in this video we can discuss how to solve the problems now. It's very important class in examination point of view. Now here I will write first of all reaction here. Now when you connect zinc and copper, right? Now which will have more reduction potential? Already we know this one. The reduction potential for this one is minus 0.74. This one is plus 0.36. Now this one is having more reduction potential. This one is having less reduction potential. Now this will undergo reduction, okay, and this will undergo oxidation. Which one? Zinc. Zinc undergo oxidation, right, because it has less reduction potential, and copper undergo reduction because it has more reduction potential. Now I am writing reactions here. Zinc undergo oxidation, giving 2 electrons. Next, copper undergo reduction. The electrons must be balanced here to give copper, right? Now the 2 electrons are cancelled here. Now zinc plus copper plus 2 gives rise to what here? Zinc plus 2 plus copper. This type of reactions we have written number of times in this electrochemistry. Now all these are what? Products. This one is what? Reactants, right? Now how to write this cell reaction? Very simple. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by N into log concentration of products by concentration of reactants, right? Now write down this one. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by how many electrons participated here? 2 electrons. Put here 2 log. What are products? This one, these two are actually products here. Now this one is a solid, okay. Ionized is what? Always aqueous. We need to take aqueous only. Ionized, aqueous. Solid, no need to consider. Concentration of solid always will be what? Concentration of zinc, which is a solid. Concentration of copper, which is also solid. Both are actually solids. Solid do not have concentration. That concentration will be 1. Now no need to consider this one. No need to consider this one. Now on product side, concentration you have to take only zinc plus 2 concentration divided by reactant side what? Copper plus 2 concentration of what? Copper plus 2. Now this will be the Nernst equation, right? This will be the Nernst equation. Same thing they written here, but in the place of here 8.314, okay, temperature 298 Kelvin, Faraday is equal to 96,500. If you substitute, what happen? We get this equation. Same thing I have written there here. So if we know the reactions, we can easily find out this Nernst equation here. Now how to calculate E naught cell here? E naught cell, very simple. E naught cell is equal to, isn't it, E cathode minus, just now we discussed that one, E anode. These values will be given in the table. I will show the table. This is the table. These are all what actually E naught values. If you want E naught values here, you will get these E naught values from this table, isn't it? From this table we get the E0 values here. Now let me do one problem here. Okay, this is the problem actually. Again one more normal problem we'll take instead of general expression we'll take here. So this is the cell notation actually. Okay, this is actually called cell notation, right? Now this one is actually anodic solution. Okay, number of times you have taken anodic solution. Next what? Cathodic solution. Next is what? Cathode here. Okay, now I am writing first of all cell reactions here given, but anyhow I am writing here. Nickel undergo oxidation giving nickel plus 2 electrons. Next Ag plus taking only 1 electron converting into Ag, but here 2 electrons, here only 1 electron. You need to balance number of electron, multiply with 2 here, electrons will be balanced here. 2 electrons are cancelled. Now what we are writing here? 2 moles of Ag plus nickel gives rise to nickel plus 2 plus Ag. This one is a solid. No need to take this concentration. This one will be the aqueous. We need to take compulsory. This one is also solid. No need to take here. Ag plus this one is actually what? Also aqueous solution. So this is the reaction we got. You see, this is the reaction we got actually. How to write the Nernst equation? Very simple. Now E cell is equal to, okay, I am direct writing E0 cell minus 0.059 by number of electrons you need to take 2 electrons into log concentration of products. Here how many moles of Ag we got? 2 moles of Ag, no? Concentration of nickel plus 2, which is product. Concentration of reactant is only have to take Ag plus, but how many moles you have taken here? 2 moles. That number of moles take as a power here. Now this will be the Nernst equation. Okay, completed. In this way we have to consider, isn't it? See, if you have any moles, you take that this is the number of moles that take as a power. See, I have taken how many moles are there here? 2 moles. 2 moles you can take as a power of the equation. We'll do some problems here. Now here we need to calculate EMF or E cell or what? Cell potential. All are what? Same only. EMF, cell potential or E cell, everything is same. But first of all I will write the chemical reactions here. Now first of all here, which is having minus 0.7 low reduction potential. This one is more reduction potential. More reduction potential act as what? Cathode, undergo reduction. Next, low reduction potential act as what? Anode, undergo oxidation reaction. Now chromium undergo oxidation, iron undergo reduction. Let me see this one how. Now if you observe here, chromium undergoing oxidation plus 3 electrons. See, they mentioned here, if you observe here, chromium plus 3, they mentioned clearly here, chromium plus 3, that I am writing there, right? Chromium plus 3 they mentioned, I am writing that chromium plus 3. Next, iron Fe plus 2, taking how many electrons here? 2 electrons, converting into iron, right? Fe plus 2 converting into iron, that I have written here. Chromium converting into chromium plus 3, same thing I have written. But here electrons are not balanced, so what I am doing here, I am multiplying this one with 2, here I am multiplying this one with 3. Now what happens after multiplication? 2 chromium undergo oxidation to give 2 chromium plus 3 plus 6 electrons. Next here 3 moles of Fe plus 2. Next 3 to the 6 electron. We need to balance number of electrons, right? Next 3 moles of iron. Next what happens? 6 electron get cancelled. Now 2 chromium plus 3 moles of Fe plus 2 gives rise to 2 moles of chromium plus 3 moles of iron. Now this is not having any charge, solid. This is having charge, aqueous. This is having what charge? Called aqueous. No charge, called what actually it is? Solid. Now we got a chemical reaction, right? Overall chemical reaction we got here, right? Now before that what happened? We calculate E naught cell. E naught cell is equal to what here? E naught cathode minus E naught anode, right? Now E naught cathode is what? This is cathode, no? Cathode is what here? This one is this reduction potential how much? Minus 0.44 minus again E naught is, this one is anode, no? This one is anode, no? That value is what? Minus 0.74 here. Now what we get here? Minus 44 minus into minus plus 0.74. So we are going to get what? Plus how much we are going to get here? 0.30, right? Volts we are going to get. This is E naught cell, right? What is the formula? E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N into log concentration of products by concentration of reactant. Now substitute everything in this one. E naught cell how much we got? 0.30 minus 0.059. Now how many electrons involved here? 6 electrons. Now put here what? 6 here. Log. What is the concentration of product? Here we are not considering. This one solid, no. This one we are not considering. Remove this one. This one also solid, no. Here we are not considering this one. Only remaining is what? This one reactant. This one is product. Now product is nothing but what? Chromium plus 3 concentration. Now how many moles are there? 2 mole. Take as a power as 2 here. Divided by concentration of reactant is what? Fe plus 2. How many moles are there? Fe plus 2? 3 moles are there, right? Take as a power as 3. Now after this what happened? Next some more substitution part is there. 0.30 minus 0.059, isn't it? Divided by again 6 log concentration of chromium plus 3 is how much given? You see here it is given. Concentration of chromium plus 3 how much here? 0.1. 0.1 I can write 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 1 to the power of 2 divided by Fe plus 2 concentration is given how much? Fe plus 2 concentration, isn't it? Fe plus 2 concentration is 0.01. 0.01 is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 2 to the power of how much you have to take? 3. Now again E cell is equal to E naught cell value 0.3. It write 0.30 or 0.3, same thing it is. Now 0.059 divided by again 6 into log 10 to the power of minus 1 to the power of 2 how much here? 10 to the power of minus 2 divided by 10 to the power of minus 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 10 to the power of minus 6. Now 10 to the power of minus 2 here what? 4 get cancelled. So what we get here? E cell is equal to 0.3 minus 0.059 by 6 log here 10 to the power of minus 4. When it comes here what happens? It becomes here, numerator becomes here 10 to the power of 4 we are going to get. Now this we can also write like this also. E cell is equal to 0.3 minus 0.059 by 6 log 10 to the power of 4 equal to I can write what? I can write 4 into log 10. I can write this one 4 into log 10, right? Log 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 4 into log 10. Why? Because log x to the power of n equal to what? N into log x. Same principle I have taken. Now log 10 equal to how much? Log 10 is equal to, this log 10 is equal to always what happen? 1. So we are going to get only here 1. Now what I am taking here? 4, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 4 actually, right? Now here after calculating this one, we are going to get value, isn't it? We are going to get value here 0.3. This value we are going to get how much here? After substitution of this value, we are going to get around 0.039. Now 0.3 minus 0.039 is equal to how much here? This value we are going to get 0.269. Answer we are going to get 0.269 volts. This will be the answer here, 0.261 volts here. In this way we have to do. Slowly if you do what happened, definitely we can solve very simply. We'll take one more problem also here, isn't it? One more problem also will take. Calculate the EMF of the following at 25 degrees Celsius. We need to calculate at EMF formula again same, but anyhow this is having what? Less reduction potential, so it acts as anode. Now iron undergo here what? Oxidation reaction. Now here this one is more compared to minus 0.44. This one is more reduction potential, therefore act as what? Cathode. Now this will undergo here what? Reduction reaction. First of all I will write the reactions here. Now here after writing, when you write the reactions here, iron Fe undergo oxidation. No, I will write here oxidation reactions. Iron undergo oxidation reaction. Fe plus 2 electrons. Next hydrogen will undergo what here? H plus will take only 1 electron, but only 1 H plus is there, isn't it? You can take. Now 2 electrons are there. Take here also 2 electrons, multiply here 2. Here also you will get hydrogen. Now write down the overall reaction here. Electrons are cancelled. Now the overall reaction is what here? Fe reacting with 2 moles of H plus converting into Fe plus 2 plus hydrogen. Okay, the pressure of hydrogen also we can take here 1 atmosphere. It's a gas, take it 1 atmosphere. So for that one no need to take. Aqueous will have a concentration. Okay, H plus will have a concentration. Aqueous H plus will have a concentration, and this is solid. This do not have, and this one also do not have any concentration. We have to consider these two as a concentration. The formula will, again I'm writing the formula. E cell is equal to E naught cell is minus 0.059 by n log concentration of products by concentration of reactants. Now first of all we need to take E naught cell. E naught cell means what actual formula? E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode. Same thing I am taking, only the data is different here. E naught anode here, right? E naught cathode is how much here? This is cathode. No, cathode is how much value? 0. Put here what? 0 minus. This value anode value is what here? Minus 0.44. Now minus plus, that will be plus 0.44 will be the E naught cell. Now substitute that E naught cell value 0.44 minus 0.059 by how many electrons are taken here? 2 electrons log concentration of product. Your product is what? Fe plus 2. Only 1 mole is given, so no need to write any mole here. Fe plus 2 concentration. I have to take first of all Fe plus 2 concentration divided by reactant is what? H plus concentration. Reactant is H plus. But how many moles are there here? 2 moles. This is the 2 mole we need to consider. Now substitute the values here. 0.44 minus 0.059 by 2 into log Fe plus 2 concentration is how much given? Here it is given 0.001, and that means 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by H plus concentration how much? 0.01, that means for 10 to the power of minus 2. How many moles are there? 2 moles. Now again I am writing 0.44 minus 0.059 by 2 log 10 to the power of minus 3, same thing, minus 2 to the power of 2 equal to 10 to the power of minus 4. Now minus 3 here, minus 3 get cancelled, we are going to get minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 1 comes here, we are going to get here what? 0.44 minus 0.059 by 2 into log 10 to the power of minus 1 come here becomes 10 to the power of 1. That means not log 10. Log 10 equal to what here? 1. Now we are going to get how much here? 0.44 minus 0.059 by 2. You take roughly this value how much here? 0.59. You take as a 60. Okay. Now what we get when you divide this one? We are going to get what? 3 roughly I have taken. Otherwise you can take 295 also. 295 also you can take. But same thing only. Not much difference. 0.44 minus how much it is? 0.030. We are going to get how much value here when you substitute this value here? We are going to get 0.41. So we are going to get here what? Plus 0.41 volts. This will be the answer. In this way we can do n number of problems. Here also concentration is given, isn't it? Concentration is given. But reduction potential, you are going to get reduction potential of nickel plus and reduction potential of Ag plus. This data you will get from what? The table. From this table. Where is that nickel plus 2? You search here. Nickel is where? Iron, nickel. Here it is nickel potential. Okay, this one nickel potential. The nickel value will be what? Minus 0.25. Check this one here. Similarly, one more is given. Ag, silver value also given here. here silver value. You have to search from the table here, AG. The table value will be 0.8. You take here what? This value is 0.8 plus only, okay, plus, and this value is how much here? Nickel minus 0.25. Nickel value is given minus 0.25, okay. Now the same form method you have to follow, you will get the answer here, right? Similarly, these are number of problems are given. All these problems are what actually homework for you. All these are what homework for you. So reduction potential you have to search from this table, all these reduction potential. So complete that problems, okay. So with this what happened, we have completed the Lennard's equation.